English to go. Aprende inglés, estés donde estés.
Lesson 9. Giving directions. Where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the train station?
The train station is in London Avenue.
How do I get there?
Go straight and turn right at the traffic light. It's opposite the supermarket.
And where is the police station?
Turn right on the corner. Go past the library and cross the street. It's next to the bus station.
Recuerda que usamos el presente simple para dar direcciones e instrucciones. Go straight and pass 2 streets. Turn right on the corner.
The train station is opposite the supermarket. Go past the library and cross the street. Turn left. Go past the traffic light. Between the fruit shop and the bakery. Next to the library.
See you soon!
Don't miss our next video.
Suscríbete a nuestro canal de YouTube y mándanos sugerencias para los próximos vídeos.